Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're married but need to file your taxes separately, TurboTax makes it easier than you might think. In this full 2025 guide, I'll walk you step by step on how to file as married, filing separately so you can file confidently and accurately. Stick around until the end to make sure you don't miss any important details. First, open your web browser and go to the official TurboTax website at turbotax.intuit.com. Make sure it's the official site so you're using the latest tools securely. Once there, locate the Sign In button in the top right corner. If you're new, you'll need to create an account, so have your personal information ready to set up your profile correctly. Once logged in, go to the My Info section, usually found in the left-hand menu. This is where you'll enter and edit your personal details and your household situation. Review and update your information. If you've entered information before, and click Revisit to review everything. It's important to make sure all details are current, especially if your marital or household status has changed since last filing. Accuracy here will save you from errors later. Proceed through TurboTax screens. Click Continue to move through the prompts. TurboTax will guide you through each section, but pay special attention to any additional information it requests. Take your time to input everything correctly. You'll reach the About Your Household section. This is key. Here, select Married Filing separately. If applicable, also select Legally Separated to make sure TurboTax calculates your taxes properly. Double-check that your selection is correct before moving forward. And that's it. You're now ready to file as married filing separately using TurboTax. Remember, taking a little extra time to review your info can prevent mistakes and make tax season a lot less stressful. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tax tips, and leave a comment if you have any questions. I'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching, and happy filing.